Welcome back to Cars Trends, your go-to source for everything related to the world of luxury and performance vehicles. Today, we're diving into a car that has been making waves in the luxury sedan segment, the 2025 Genesis G90. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines refined elegance with cutting-edge technology and performance, the G90 is the car that might just be on your radar. Let's take a closer look at what makes this luxury sedan one of the best in its class. At first glance, the 2025 Genesis G90 makes an immediate statement with its bold, yet sophisticated design. The sedan features a sleek, flowing silhouette that is modern, yet timeless. Its design is marked by the brand's signature crest grille, a symbol of refinement, flanked by elegant quad headlights that give the G90 a poised, yet aggressive presence on the road. The lines of the vehicle are smooth and purposeful, with subtle curves that give the G90 an aerodynamic profile. Whether parked or in motion, the G90's elegant design draws attention for all the right reasons. The 20-inch wheels, chrome accents, and refined details throughout the body give this luxury sedan a sense of prestige that's hard to miss. Step inside, and the G90 continues to impress with a cabin that's as luxurious as it is functional. The interior is a true testament to Genesis' commitment to craftsmanship and quality. Premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and brushed metal accents create an atmosphere of sophistication. The front seats are designed for ultimate comfort, featuring multi-way power adjustments, massage functions, and memory settings to ensure a personalized driving experience. The rear seats are just as accommodating, with plenty of legroom and the option for reclining seats, making the G90 an excellent choice for those who enjoy being chauffeured. The cabin's ambient lighting system adds a touch of elegance, creating a relaxing atmosphere whether you're driving or simply enjoying the ride. Technology is at the forefront of the 2025 Genesis G90, offering a comprehensive suite of features designed to enhance both the driving experience and your daily commute. The centerpiece of the cabin is the 12.3-inch touchscreen display that houses the Genesis infotainment system. It's intuitive and responsive, offering easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system integrates seamlessly with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to stay connected on the go. For music lovers, the G90 features a 23-speaker Lexicon surround sound system that provides an immersive listening experience. The vehicle also includes a fully digital instrument cluster, which is customizable and offers all the key information you need in a clear, easy-to-read format. Under the hood, the 2025 Genesis G90 is powered by a choice of two impressive engines. The base engine is a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, producing 375 horsepower and 391 pound-feet of torque. For those seeking more power, there's an available 5.0-liter V8 that generates 420 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Whether you choose the V6 or the V8, the G90 delivers impressive acceleration and a refined, comfortable ride. The G90 features rear-wheel drive as standard, with an all-wheel drive option available for those who desire enhanced traction in various driving conditions. The vehicle's adaptive suspension system provides a smooth and controlled ride, absorbing bumps and imperfections in the road for a quiet, comfortable experience no matter the terrain. When it comes to safety, the 2025 Genesis G90 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features designed to keep you and your passengers safe. Standard features include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. The G90 also offers optional features such as a 360-degree camera system, parking sensors, and a surround view monitor, which makes parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. With these features, the G90 ensures that every drive is as safe as it is enjoyable. As for utility, the G90 offers plenty of space for both passengers and luggage. The trunk is spacious, with ample room for your belongings, whether you're packing for a weekend getaway or simply need space for groceries. The rear seats can also fold down to provide additional cargo space, adding versatility for larger items. In addition, the G90's smooth ride and advanced suspension make it an excellent choice for long-distance trips, ensuring that you and your passengers arrive at your destination relaxed and refreshed.